All right, it's that time of year again. The calendar may say wintertime here in Michigan, but before you know it, it's going to be summertime. And summertime means a summertime kickoff early June again for our Kids Food Basket golf outing. Previously known as the Feed a School for a Year Golf Classic, we've actually changed the name. We've changed it to Driving Out Hunger Golf Classic. Reason being is that we're raising now more than the $30,000 that it had required to feed a school for a year. And so we wanted to broaden our scope and broaden our impact of how we're reaching kids here in West Michigan. This will be the 7th year for this event. And this year we're hoping to raise $60,000, net $60,000 that is. And if we do that, we'll be able to feed over 25,000 kids in the area who are experiencing hunger. So really cool, really exciting. You know, the total raised over these 7 years has been almost $200,000. Again, that's net proceeds that we get, and that means we've been able to provide almost 85,000 meals for kids who are experiencing hunger in West Michigan. So if you've been a sponsor with us in years past, there's a lot of you who have been repeat sponsors with us, which we really appreciate. Thank you for that. It's time to sign up again. We want to hear from you and would love for you to go ahead and sign up so we can count on you for that sponsorship. If you haven't sponsored with us before, we hope you'll join us. We hope you'll select a sponsorship. It's for a great cause. We have lots of fun. We try to construct it in a way that brings out the best elements of any golf outing that we've experienced in the past and combine those together. So great golf, great food, great people, a happy hour at the end, a time to connect with each other, and then we can all get out of there and enjoy our day as well. So save the date, June 2nd this year. Look forward to seeing all of you out there.